morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Who is someone that has inspired you recently? What did they do to inspire you? I know someone that recently inspired me was Jocelyn Bradley with her work as far as making cards and saving money for essential workers and first responders. I thought that was extremely inspiring. I know that some other friends were inspired by her as well. If you were inspired somewhat by someone recently, I want you to put it in the comments what they did and how they inspired you. All right, let's move on. Pick your focus goal. I think one really great focus goal is always making sure that you're listening so that you can learn. I know it can be really distracting sometimes. So if you find yourself getting distracted, it's not a big deal to pause the video and go somewhere that might be a little bit quieter, or you can wait it out. No big deal. All right, check in with yourself, see how you're feeling. Make sure that you are ready to learn. All right, let's go over our daily objectives. They are the same as yesterday. We're going to be going over our sight words. We're going to be practicing our vocabulary words, and we're going to be defining and distinguishing between cause and effect statements again. All right, before we begin, you might hear some baby noises in the background. I'm at my sister's this week, like I said in the last video, because my heat is out at in my home. All right, so if you do hear that, I apologize in advance. All right, let's get ready. The word is always. The word is get ready, go. ALWAYS, always. Take it slow, get ready, go. Awesome. The word is great. The word is get ready, go. GREAT, great. One more time, get ready, go. Make sure you're dribbling those words and dribbling the letters and shooting the words. The word is thought. The word is get ready, go. THOUGHT, thought. One more time, get ready, go. THOUGHT, thought. The word is head. The word is get ready, go. HEAD, head. One more time, get ready, go. The word is sock. The word is get ready, go. One more time, get ready, go. Awesome. Let's move on to our vocabulary words. So I know we introduced 4 new ones. We introduced pleasant, slumber, careless, and pure. Let's go over those meanings. Remember, pure is someone that's the same age as you. Careless is not concerned or worried. So someone that might be like texting and not paying attention where they're going, or someone that might not be paying attention to what's going on around them. Slumber, that means to sleep. And we know that pleasant is a sense of happiness. We're going to look at some pictures today, and I want you to pick the word that matches the picture. So you're going to identify the word that matches the picture. Actually, let me use my pointer instead so I can circle them. Let's pick a cute color. All right, so looking at these images right here, what word describes this picture that you're seeing? Think about it for a few seconds. Answer in 3 and 2 and 1. Careless. We know that this is a picture of someone being careless. It looks like they're on their phone, they're not paying attention, and the effect of that is that there's now a fire in the kitchen. What caused that to happen is that she's on the phone. Notice how we were able to identify cause and effect in just this picture. We see that this person is on the phone, not paying attention, and the effect of that is that now there's a fire in her kitchen. Now, this one's a little bit trickier. Think about how this person is feeling in this one. All right, that's your hint. On the count of 3, answer out. 3, 2, 1. Pleasant. We know that this is pleasant because it looks like she's happy. She's smiling, so we know that she must be happy. There's a sense of happiness. Look, there's butterflies around her. She's catching them. She's outside. We know it's not peer because we know a peer is a group of friends and we only see one girl. We know it's not slumber because she's not sleeping. We know it's not careless because it looks like she's paying attention because she was able to catch a butterfly. On the count of, let's look at this next picture. On the count of 3, I want you to shout out the answer. 3, 2, 1. Slumber. We know it's slumber because in the picture, the girl is sleeping and she's dreaming of her cat. We know that slumber means to sleep. It couldn't be pure because we know that's a group of friends. It also, I guess it could be pleasant because she's thinking happy things. So if you thought it was pleasant, I guess you could also go with that too, but we know that the best possible answer is slumber because she's sleeping. But I also think pleasant can describe this picture too. All right, let's look at our last one. On the count of three, shout it out. 3, 2, 1. Peer. We see a group of students that all look to be the same age. They're all playing instruments. It looks like they're in a band together. We know that peer is a group of people that are the same age. Let's move on to our main objective of the day. We're going to be defining and distinguishing between cause and effect statements. So let's review what causes and what effect is. So cause is what makes something happen or why something happens. So like, for example, when we look at this picture again, why something happened? Well, why is this burning? Because she's on the phone. That's our cause. What is an effect? An effect is a result of what happened or what happened after an action or an instant. So we know the effect of her being on the phone is that there's a fire now. Now, let's look at some. I'm going to do this slide on my own. When the boy overslept, he missed the bus for school. Which is the cause and which is the effect? So instead of me coming up with my own cause and effect like I did yesterday, this time I'm going to be identifying what part of the statement is the cause and what part is the effect. So when the boy overslept, he missed the bus. Sometimes I think it's easier to start with your effect. Sometimes it's easier to figure out what happened because of something. So what happened because of something? Well, it looks like he missed the bus. We know that that's a result of something happening. He missed the bus. That's our effect. What caused him to miss the bus? He overslept. We know that that must be our cause. The cause is that the boy overslept, and the effect of him oversleeping is that he missed the bus. Now, would it make sense if I said the cause was that he missed the bus? No, because that doesn't explain why something happened. Just saying that he missed the bus isn't giving me a reason why something happened. It's just giving me a statement on what the result of something. Would it make sense to say the effect was the boy overslept? No, because we don't know what happened to make him oversleep. So we know that our cause should be the boy overslept, and the effect of him oversleeping was that he missed the bus. Let's look at our next one. The sidewalk was very icy. A girl accidentally slipped and fell while walking to the bus stop. Which one do you think is the cause and the effect? Pause the video and think about it. All right, so we know that our cause is why something happened and our effect is the result of something happened. So what was the result of something happening in this statement? Yeah, the result is that the girl slipped and fell. What was the cause of her slipping and falling? Yeah, it was because the sidewalk was icy. Remember, our cause is why something happens, and our effect is the result of something happening. Let's go on to this next slide. I want you to do it on your own. Pause the video, read it on your own, and answer the questions below. When you're ready, press play so we can go over it together. Did you press pause and go over it? All right, let's see if you're right. Yue was baking cookies. She had just put a batch in the oven when the phone rang. It was her friend Amariana. After a while, Yue smelled something burning. Oh no! The cookies, she said, and quickly hung up the phone. The cookies were black. Yue sighed and threw them in the garbage. Now, that's a lot of sentences, so we have to weed out what was our cause and what was our effect. So what caused the cookies to burn? Share out with someone near to you. What caused the cookies to burn? Yeah, she wasn't paying attention. She was on the phone talking to a Mariana. So that's what caused the cookies to burn because she wasn't paying attention and they got overcooked and burned. What was the effect of the cookies burning? What was the result of the cookies burning? What did Yue have to do because the cookies burned? She had to throw them in the garbage. That's sad. That's unfortunate. All right. Now let's look at the next one. Chloe was on her way to the office. Miss Turner had asked her to bring some papers to Miss Fussner. A boy accidentally bumped into her. Chloe dropped all the papers on the floor. The boy apologized and helped pick up the papers. Oops. Why did it say Amelia? What caused Chloe to drop the papers? What caused her to drop the papers? Look back if you need to. Yeah, a boy accidentally bumped into her. We know that the cause of her dropping the papers was because someone bumped into her. We know that's why she dropped the papers, because someone bumped into her. What was the effect of her dropping the papers? The boy apologized and helped pick up the papers. It was no big deal, it sounds like, right? That was the result of her dropping the papers. No big deal. All right. What is a cause? A cause is why something happens, and what is an effect? It's a result of something happening. Remember, a cause, you can always answer the question of why something happened. With an effect, you can always tell the result of something happening. Now it's time for you to practice on your own, take your exit ticket, and when you're done, go ahead and work on Lexia. Have a good day.